Hello dear students. So today we will see energy production from different substances. In previous lecture we had already discussed about the energy production by using carbohydrate, aerobic respiration as well as anaerobic respiration. So today we will see energy from different food components. So initially which we studied the energy production by carbohydrate. So some carbohydrate, when we eat extra carbohydrate, that gets stored in liver and muscles in the form of glycogen. Now some questions are given here, basic questions. What is the source of proteins and what are they made up of? So source of proteins, हम डे टू डे लाइफ में क्या क्या खाते हैं, like meat, egg, dairy products which include cheese, paneer, etc. Legumes, beans, peas, all dal. And proteins are made up of bonding many amino acids together. So energy from proteins. Proteins are the macromolecules formed by bonding together many amino acids. This is the definition. Amino acids are obtained after digestion of proteins. Yes. तो अगर आप प्रोटीन खा रहे हो उसका डाइजेशन होगा, डाइजेशन होने के बाद फिर से आपको क्या मिलेगा, अमाइनो acid. Those amino acids are absorbed in the body and transported up to each organ and cell via blood. After digestion ये amino acids आपके blood में absorb होंगे और पूरे body में हर cell में transport होंगे through the blood and circulatory system. And by using these amino acids हमारे organs and cell produces various proteins necessary for themselves. And the proteins of animal origin are called as first class proteins. We get 4 kilocalorie of energy per gram of proteins. So here if you'll see this picture, this indicates that if our amino acid goes in different cells, they start making different type of protein. For example, if amino acid goes in skin, there it will produce melanin and keratin. Bones, ossin. In cells, cell membrane and enzymes. Pancreas, insulin and trypsin. Pituitary gland, hormones. Muscles, actin and myosin proteins. Blood, hemoglobin and antibodies. Excess of amino acids obtained from proteins are not stored in the body. Already we had discussed कि carbohydrate store होता है in the form of glycogen, but extra amino acids are not stored in the body. They are broken down and the ammonia is formed, and this ammonia is eliminated out of the body through urine. If necessary, excess of proteins are converted into other useful substance like glucose through the process of gluconeogenesis. इस पे क्वेश्चन आता है, what is gluconeogenesis? सो कभी कभी एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटीन जो है वो कन्वर्ट हो जाता है ग्लूकोज में, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस. एन एंजाइम रुबिस्को प्रेजेंट इन द प्लांट क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज मोस्ट अबंडेंट प्रोटीन फाउंड इन नेचर. रुबिस्को, it is a enzyme present in plants. Now energy from the lipids. Lipids are formed by specific chemical bonds between fatty acid and alcohol. So digestion करेंगे लिपिड का तो क्या मिलेगा हमको फिर से, fatty acid and alcohol. Fatty acids are absorbed and distributed everywhere within the body, and from those fatty acid different cells produces various substances necessary for themselves. Example, the molecule called as phospholipid essential for producing plasma membrane are formed from fatty acid. Fatty acids are used for producing hormones like progesterone, estrogen, testosterone and aldosterone. Fatty acids are also important for making covering around the axons of nerve cells. We get 9 kilocalorie of energy per gram of lipids. Excess of lipids are stored in adipose connective tissues in the body. Basic questions are given here. Many times you cannot eat hot food due to inflammation or ulceration in mouth. Yes, ulcer हमारे माउथ में बहुत बार होता है because of various reasons. Some are mentioned here like बाइटिंग ऑफ चीक और टंग, गलती से कभी च्यू हो जाता है, स्ट्रेस एंड डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन B12, जिंक, आयरन एंड फोलिक एसिड. And during this condition, if we eat hot or spicy food, it will cause irritation to our injured cells. Some person experience difficulty in night vision since their childhood or adolescence. Yes, night vision में difficulty, it is caused by night blindness, in which person cannot see in dim light. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A, and therefore some person experience difficulty. Now what are vitamins? Vitamins are group of heterogeneous compound of which each is essential for proper operation of various processes in the body. So this is the definition of vitamin. It is a group of heterogeneous compounds. There are 6 types of vitamins: A, B, C, D, E and K. And these 6 types are divided into 2 groups: fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamin. So to remember, A, D, E, K are the fat soluble, whereas B and C are water soluble vitamin. FADH2 and NADH2 are produced in the process like glycolysis and Krebs cycle. These vitamins are very very important, like riboflavin and nicotinamide. Basic questions. Many times we experience dryness in mouth. Yes, we experience dryness in mouth due to dehydration. Our body loses water during various activities like running, walking and playing. During this condition, our body gives signal to consume more water, and therefore many times we experience dryness in mouth. So जब हम एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं रनिंग वॉकिंग, उस टाइम पे हमारे बॉडी का वाटर लॉस होता है, एंड टू रिप्लेस इट हमारा बॉडी सिग्नल देता है कि आप और ज़्यादा वाटर कंज्यूम करें. Oral rehydration solution, salt, sugar, water, is frequently given to person experiencing loose motion. So during loose motion, body loses extra water and salts and causes dehydration. The oral rehydration helps to replace the lost fluid and salt. Therefore, maximum oral rehydration solution is given to the person. We sweat during summer and heavy exercise. So during summer and heavy exercise, our body temperature increases because our metabolism increases. To keep our body cool, the sweat is produced, and our body maintain constant temperature by sweating. Now water. So water is not useful for energy production, but it is an important component. There is 65 to 70% water in our body. Each cell contains 70% water weight by weight. Blood plasma also contains 90% of water. Functioning of cells and thereby whole body disturbed even if there is little loss of water from the body. Hence, water is an essential nutrient. इस पे आपको give reason आता है. Fibers. Fibers are essential nutrients. These fibers we cannot digest, but they help in digestion of other substances and egestion of undigested substances. बाहर निकालने के लिए undigested substances जो है वो बॉडी से बाहर निकालने के लिए फाइबर्स यूजफुल हैं. And we obtain the fibers from leafy vegetables, fruits, cereals, etc. Important questions from the topic. Thank you.